Angle XYZ is bisected by ray YW. Determine the value of x and the measure of all three angles. First off, if I know that angle XYZ is bisected, then I'm going to mark it with the arcs so I know that these two smaller angles measure the same thing. I know that angle XYW has to be congruent to angle WYZ. If those two angles are congruent, then their measures must be the same. The measure of angle XYW has to equal the measure of angle WYZ. Now that I know that, I can create an equation. The measure of angle XYW is 2x plus 4, according to my picture. And WYZ is 3x minus 1. Now I can solve. I'm going to get all of the x's on the same side of the equation by subtracting 2x. Now I will isolate the x by adding 1 to both sides. So I found the value of x to be 5. Now I need to find the measure of all three angles. If I have done this correctly, then the measure of angle XYW and the measure of WYZ will be the same. But it's always good to check. So I'm going to plug in 5 for x. 2 times 5 plus 4. 10 plus 4 would be 14 degrees. And then 3 times 5 minus 1. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 1 equals 14 as well. So I know the measures of the two smaller angles. To find the measure of the largest angle, XYZ, all I have to do is add the two 14s together to give me 28 degrees. And there we go.